If you're not using Instagram DM automation, you're leaving money on the table. In this video today, we're gonna talk about how can you set up Instagram DM automation in 5 minutes or less. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this video. So what is DM automation on Instagram and what's the benefit, right? So let me show you, this is my Instagram account. If you don't follow me, you should. Let me go to one of these videos right here. So you can see the text I have: follow and comment 100 to get the top 100 AI tools. And you see a lot of people are commenting, and you may have seen this with other Instagram accounts, influencers, brands. They'll say comment something to get something. And this is a way to send whoever comments, you can send them a message. You can do lead generation. You can capture their emails. So that's how that's the importance of DM automation. You're converting your Instagram audience, your Instagram views into email leads. So let me show you something. So here is the Beehive email management system that I use. You can see right here. So about 50% of our leads, so we are active on several different channels, but about 50% of our emails are coming from Instagram. That is just amazing, and they're all coming from this DM automation. So now let's talk about how can you set up the DM automation. What's the tool? What's the process? I'm gonna talk all about that, and it's not gonna take long. It's very quickly. You can set one up for your own Instagram account. All right, let's jump into it. The tool we're gonna use is called LinkDM. Reply to Instagram with comments. So again, you'll tell people to comment a certain word, and then based on that you can send them products to buy. You can do what I'm doing. You can send them lead generation forms, lead generation pages, lead magnets, stuff like that. And there's so many other like cool reels automation, post automation. There's so many other stuff, other features that this LinkDM tool offers. So let me log in and show you how easy it is to set this up. And again, if you look at the features, auto reply on the posts, on Instagram stories. Yeah, so it doesn't matter where people leave comment, you will be able to send them a automated message. All right, let's log in and I'll show you the dashboard and how to set one up very quickly. So obviously the first step, make an account. And here is my account. I'm already logged in. And then next thing you want to do is go, once you create an account, connect your Instagram. So your Instagram account needs to be connected with your Facebook page, and then you can connect both of them in the configuration. So here you go. Mine is already connected, but if it wasn't, I would say add, and then just very simply it speaks to, or it talks to, not speak, it connects with your Facebook account, and then you can bring in your Instagram. So in this case, this is my Facebook page and this is my Instagram. They both are connected. So step number one, you're gonna create an account on Instagram DM, link below in the description. Yes, my affiliate link. Step number two, you're gonna connect your Facebook page to it. And now let's create the DM automation setup, which is very simple. So for that, you're gonna go, if you click on automation, there are so many different features. So comment auto replies, this is where you can auto reply to people's comments. Flow automation, lead generation, looks like that's a new feature. The one I want to show you today is called universal triggers. And the reason I love universal triggers, there's a specific reason. And look at this. So set up universal triggers and use them on Instagram posts, reels, inbox, stories, ads, live Facebook posts. So all the placements on Meta between Facebook and Instagram, these universal triggers will work on all of them. That's the magic of setting up. That's why I love setting up these universal triggers. You can set these up individuals too. You can do on the post, on the story, but I just love, the first thing I want to do when I log into my LinkDM is set up some universal triggers, because I want, no matter where people leave a comment, because you'll see sometimes some example right here. So you can see people are leaving comment on Instagram and they're getting the message from us. Also On Facebook, they're leaving comments, and so the DM automation is working on both Instagram and Facebook. That's the beauty. Now to add a new trigger, you're gonna click on Add New Trigger, and now let's go through this one by one. So first of all, you're gonna enter. Let me actually capture something, a URL. So I'll give you like a real example. So so DM step, do you want to do button template or message? So let's do button, and then here's the URL, the link I want to send people to, and then it's gonna read and bring in all the information in just a few seconds. Also, I like to change the name of the button, so I'm gonna say click here. You can drag and drop an image here, up to you. Sometimes it will read the image from your URL, but in this case you can bring just click here and upload an image. For the sake of this, I'll use that demo image. Now this is the link, we're gonna send it to people. Now trigger setup, what's the keyword that you want people to comment to trigger this? So for example, let's say, I think one of the really common one for lead generation I use is the word 100. You can do that. So here you go. If you want to exclude any keyword, you can do that. Send once per user. Placement, now this is really awesome. Look, it's gonna work on Instagram posts, Reels, Stories, Live, Ads, so all across the both platforms, Instagram and also Facebook. That's why I love the universal trigger. That's my favorite feature. You can look at these DM automation fallback messages too if you like, but at the minimum I would suggest enable them both on Facebook and Instagram. If for some reason, let's say you're doing your campaign and it's only on Instagram, then you can just disable Facebook from here if you like. All right, setting, do you want to delay this message? You can. So that's when the delay between people's comments and you sending them a message. But if you don't want that, you can just leave it as is and then click on save. I'm not gonna save it because I already have this automation set up. So let me leave this and show you. So I'll show you, here's the automation that I've already set up. If you look at the edit, you can see here's the URL that people get. Click here. What's the trigger setup? I want people to comment the word 100. And one of the other pro tip, some of the misspelling, like a common ways to misspell the words, you can add those too. So for example, I want people to comment 100, but I know some people are on the go, on the phone, so they might type 10 or 1000, so I'm putting both of those in there. Placement, everything is on. Setting, no delay, and then that's it. So simple automation, and you can see all the data here. How many sent, how many open, click-through rate. So that's the other beautiful thing about LinkDM. You'll have access to all the data, and that's it. After that, you just go create your content, post videos, carousels, and then you're gonna ask people to comment, and whenever they comment, let me see if I can show you. Yeah, here you go. So this person commented the word 100, and then he's getting this link. Whenever he clicks on this link, they are gonna go on right here. So they're gonna go on to my lead magnet. So they'll enter their email and I'll capture the lead. So lead generation from Instagram using this tool, one of my favorite tools, LinkDM. It's unbelievable. Anyone who is, like I said in the beginning, not generating leads, not doing DM automation on Instagram, you're leaving money on the table. So go check it out, LinkDM. Once you set up everything up, you have access to all the analytics day by day. You can see post by post. So all the data, and then based on data, you can make different decisions. Any questions, let me know before you go. Like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.